Food fraud quick bite, frothy milk. It's one of the most common food frauds reported in English language international media, and that is milk in India adulterated with detergent to make it look fresher and frothier. Last week, a former laundry detergent company executive gave us a rare insider's glimpse into the practice of adding detergent to milk. He recalled that he was told by his sales team that they would sell more detergent if it had a milder fragrance. The competitor's product was selling better, they said, because it had a weaker aroma, making it more attractive to milk vendors who used it as an unauthorized additive in milk. Many years ago, and I'm quoting from the executive here, many years ago, I launched a new liquid detergent while working at a large company. One of the sales guys came up to me and said he'd have sold a lot more if the fragrance wasn't so strong. I asked if he had got any consumer feedback on the fragrance. That was not the reason. He said a lot of people bought liquid detergents to add in milk. The optical brightener made the look whiter and the detergent added extra froth to the milk. The competitor had a product with a mild fragrance and was preferred by those people. And he said, I stopped consuming dairy products from those markets after that. And that quote came from Ram on x.com. And of course, as always, there is a link in the email and the post.